All right, y'all, today we're gonna learn how to plant carrots. We're planting these carrots today. So let's get it done. That's all you really need. I'm gonna use this container. I already did it once. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Some potting soil right there. A little scoop, something to cut the top off, and then seeds. That's all you need. And water, obviously, but yeah, this is all you're gonna need. It's very simple. So clearly I'm gonna take this razor, box cutter, and I'm gonna cut the top of this container off. That's all I'm gonna do. And as you see, it does not have to be pretty or perfect. Like, mine is so sloppy, but I'm getting the job done. The top's coming off, so that's all that matters. All right, and the top is off. Perfect. That's like step number one. Once you have the top off, we can poke some holes in the bottom with this. We want the water to be able to seep out, so we have to put some holes in the bottom. All right, so I'm about to start putting the hole. One thing I do is I use like a lighter and I make this hot. I know it's kind of crazy, but it helps it go through plastic so much easier. And just poke your little holes in there. Sorry, bad camera. Yeah, poke your little holes in there. Get them on. All right, I'm also gonna put some holes on the side too. I wanna really make sure it gets decent drainage. So I'm gonna do a couple holes on like the side, maybe 3. I'll do a couple holes. All right, we got holes on the bottom and on the sides. Cool. Now we're gonna fill this with potting soil. Okay, and I filled it up to about halfway, just like the last time I did it. They turned out very, very, very good, you see? So I'm just gonna repeat the same method. Right now though, we're just gonna poke some holes, and that's where we're gonna plant our carrots. Okay, so boom. I'm gonna do one there. I'm gonna space them out. Give them space to grow. Okay, one more. All right. And maybe one in, I might be pushing it, but I'm gonna do one in the middle just because. So I got like 5 little spots I'm gonna put seeds in. All right, here's the seeds. That's what we got. I'm not gonna use all of these. I just dumped a portion out. I'm gonna put a few in each hole. Like in each of these little holes, respectively, I will put a few little seeds. All right. Okay, I got a couple seeds in my hand. I drop them in there. Very good, and I'm gonna do it on the next one as well. I have a few seeds right here. This is probably too many for one hole, like that. It's probably too many for one little hole. I'm gonna spread it out. I'm gonna put this in 2 separate holes. Okay, got a couple more. Put in another hole. Boom. All right. Let me grab maybe 2 more. And put there. All right. That's all you need to do. You don't need any more than that. Now, I'm gonna cover these just slightly like this. And this one. Okay, now it's time for the water. I made this little water, a little jug of water. I'm gonna water it very good. You wanna water it very well, especially on the first water. Get it nice and damp all the way through. You poke those holes so that it can drain. And luckily, it's a rainy day today, as you can see. So I'm gonna leave these right here so they can get some natural rain along with the other stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. I can't wait to see these look like these.